They're laughing at you. They think you're useless. Nobody believes in you anymore. They find you pathetic. They want you to be a loser. Show them. Don't let them drag you down to their level. They don't know you, brother. They've got no idea of your potential. Don't let those cowards ruin your life. You have to show God the beauty of His own creation. Make them understand the widening gap between you and them. Reaching the top is the only way to go. There is a man over there working harder than you. He wants exactly what you want, but only one of you will get it. Will he win? Beat him. Make him regret competing with you. Winning your toughest battle is the only option. Be a